Good evening. Welcome to the Grand City Hotel.
Good evening. Thank you.
How can I help you today?
I have a reservation.
Great. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Sarah Williams.
Let me check that for you. Just a moment, please.
Sure, no problem.
Ah, yes, Ms. Williams. I've found your booking. You've booked a double room for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Wonderful. May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. And do you have your booking confirmation?
Yes, I have it on my phone.
That's perfect. Thank you for showing it. Will anyone else be staying with you?
No, just me.
All right. How was your trip, Ms. Williams?
It was long but comfortable.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like a welcome drink?
Oh, that's nice. Yes, please.
Here you go. Fresh orange juice.
Thank you. It's refreshing.
Could you please fill out this registration form?
Sure.
You can write your name, address, and phone number here.
Okay, done.
Thank you so much. Do you have any luggage with you?
Yes, I have 2 suitcases.
Our bellboy will take care of them.
That's great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you prefer a room with a city view or a garden view?
I'd like a city view, please.
Excellent choice. Smoking or non-smoking room?
Non-smoking, please.
Got it. What time would you like your breakfast tomorrow?
Around 8 a.m. would be perfect.
Noted. Breakfast is served at our restaurant on the first floor.
Thank you for the information.
Would you like to include dinner in your stay?
No, thank you. I'll eat outside.
Sure, no problem. Do you need a wake-up call in the morning?
Yes, please. At 7 a.m.
Certainly. I'll schedule that for you. Will you pay by card or cash?
By card, please.
Okay. Please insert your card here.
Done.
Great. Your payment has been processed.
Thank you.
Here is your room key.
Thank you.
Your room number is 402 on the 4th floor.
Okay, got it.
The elevator is to your right.
Perfect.
Would you like me to explain the facilities?
Yes, please.
Our gym and swimming pool are on the 2nd floor. Breakfast is on the 1st floor. And the rooftop has a beautiful city view at night.
Sounds amazing.
If you need room service, dial number 9.
Okay, I'll remember that.
You can also call the front desk anytime.
Great.
Do you need Wi-Fi access?
Yes, please.
The network name is Grand City Wi-Fi. The password is Welcome2025.
Thank you so much.
Do you have any special requests?
Could I have an extra pillow?
Of course. We'll send it right away.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Would you like a map of the city?
Yes, that would be helpful.
Here you go. It shows tourist attractions nearby.
Perfect.
Are you planning to go sightseeing tomorrow?
Yes, I'll visit the City Museum.
Nice. It's only 10 minutes from here.
That's good to know.
Would you like us to book a taxi for you?
Oh, yes, that would be great.
What time should we arrange it?
Around 9 a.m., please?
Consider it done. Do you need help with your bags now?
Yes, please. They're quite heavy.
No worries. Our staff will take care of it.
Thank you very much.
Would you like a welcome guide about the hotel?
Yes, please.
Here's our brochure with all the details.
Excellent.
Do you need bottled water in your room?
Yes, please.
We'll send some right away. Is the air conditioning okay for you?
I haven't checked yet, but I'll let you know.
Sure. Just call if you need any help. Would you like to use our laundry service?
Maybe tomorrow.
No problem. Just inform us when needed. Do you want a late checkout?
What time is regular checkout?
It's at 12 noon.
Oh, that's fine for me.
All right. Here's your receipt and key card.
Thank you.
Your room is ready.
Wonderful.
The bellboy will take you there.
Great. Thank you so much.
Enjoy your stay, Miss Williams.
I will. Thank you.
If you need anything, just call the front desk.
Sure.
By the way, breakfast starts at 6:30 a.m.
Good to know.
And checkout is very simple. Just drop the key here.
Perfect.
Have a pleasant evening.
Thank you. You too.
Welcome again to the Grand City Hotel.
Thanks for your warm hospitality.
You're most welcome.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Miss Williams. Enjoy your stay.